Hi everyone. Now, I know that we love our Teslas, and once a week, guess what? We clean and look after them. But once a year, we get the very thing that makes us shake, and we get, oh, what are we going to do about it? Do we go with the same? Do we what? Now, what are we talking about? Well, let me tell you, if you're new here, I have a sidekick. Now, you're used to Alexa saying, what time is it?
It's 12:39 p.m.
Now, that's what she normally says. But you know, I'm a techie. We don't do that on the Tesla channel. I have a sidekick that I can use. So, Alexa, look at this.
Man, it looks like your insurance for your Tesla is up for renewal. I will let you tell your audience how they can save money on their next renewal.
Great. Thank you very much, Alexa. I'm very pleased that she's come on board because she's exactly right.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
What we're going to talk about is how you can save money. Now, I got a payment in for about this much, and I'm not going to read it out because I'd like you to see it coming up on the screen. So that's what we originally got. Then I got a quote after ringing them up and saying, look, my thing's up for renewal. I've been with you a long time. I've had a cheaper quote, £800, right? So they said to me, and this is an interesting thing, because all people that you ring, whether it's Direct Line, whether it's Admiral, all of the brokers will earn a commission. So they're going to earn money from us. So we could earn money from them legitimately. And how that works is this, right? You're going to say to them, well, I've been with you a long time, and it doesn't matter. You've been with a year. You're an old value customer. I was with you last year. I'm happy with you. You must be able to help me on the price. I've had a cheaper quote from another company. You don't have to tell them who, and you just say a reasonable figure. £800, I said, because Direct Line was the cheapest. Great. Then guess what? The form comes through. They saved me from £893 to £806. Great. I check up the form, and on the form they haven't added the courtesy car that was on the first form. So I was all set to phone them today and phone them, right? And I was going to let you hear what was going to go on. But guess what? I go and look on Go Compare to get all the information, because I used gocompare.com, and also I used comparethemeerkat.com, right? Compare the market. Now, I go and compare the market this morning to get the details up, and guess what? There's £654, £200 cheaper. So, Admiral have outstripped Direct Line. So I'm going to ring up today and we're going to listen to it, and I'm going to put it on speaker so we can have a privy to what's going to go on. So let's have a look. We'll ring them up and we'll find out what's going on. Okay, the number.
Welcome to Direct Line Car Insurance. Our insurance policies are underwritten by UK Insurance Limited, and all prices include insurance premium tax.
Now,
to help us give you the best service, we may record and monitor this.
I'm going to tell them I'm going to leave them, right? Because this will be the biggest thing to actually do.
You need to make your own choice. To get you help faster, we've made some great improvements to our online services. It's now the easiest way to manage your policy, renew or claim, so there's no need to wait on the phone. Go to directline.com and click on My Account to get started. Our virtual assistant is on hand if you need any help.
We don't want that because they're not going to help us.
Press 1. Or for van insurance, it's 2.
Car insurance.
For our claims department, press 1.
Not
if
that.
you have car insurance with us, it's 2. And if you don't have car insurance with us, press 3.
2.
If you have your policy number handy, press 1.
I do have my policy number, so I'll press 1.
After the tone, please enter your policy number and press hash. If you'd like to renew, discuss your renewal, or if you're thinking of leaving us, press 1.
think of leaving this. Here we go.
If you don't need to make any changes to your policy, you can now renew online. It's really easy and will save you time. Just go to directline.com and click on My Account. If you can't get online, just stay right here. Please answer all questions accurately and honestly. Incorrect or incomplete information could affect or invalidate your cover, reduce the amount we pay, or stop any claim being paid. We carry out credit searches to identify you and may use these to determine your price, payment, and installment options. Information you give us may be used to help prevent fraud and money laundering, and any inaccurate information may be passed to fraud prevention agencies. To find out more about how we'll
They go on and on and on and on and on and on. And really, you just want the advisor. So that's what you want.
Consultants are likely to receive a bonus if you purchase any cover with us.
Bonus, that's what they get. Such a red tape. All you want is an advisor. You don't want this person babbling on, do you? They get on your nerves. But listen, we have to do it.
Stay right there and one of the team will be with you soon.
Oh, look.
Thanks for bearing with us. We'll put you through as soon as one of the team is free.
Just when you think you've got more, they give you more music. I don't know. Right, this is just... It's enough to just break you down and just give up and say, do you know what, I'm not doing this. But we know there's some money and grabs, right? It's 200 quid. So I'm not going to give you any time easy, am I? I'm going to actually listen and just deal with it. Meanwhile, and we're still listening to music. Sorry for the wait, doing everything they can. Well, yeah, what they're doing is trying to just make you quieter and appease you. But invariably, you're getting annoyed. You want to shout and scream. Doesn't matter that they've kept us on this silly little game of playing the music.
Getting through our calls as quickly as we can, so we should be able to help you soon.
I'm going to help them soon because I'm going to help myself to their hard-earned commission that they have worked tirelessly for, very easily, just sitting there expecting you to just pay the money and just say, well, nothing more you can do. But you can. This is where Mal's back, Talking Tesla, we get back to the nitty-gritty of saving you money. Meanwhile, they're still playing music.
Thanks for bearing with us. We'll put you through as soon as one of the team is free.
Now, what is interesting, I think the reduction of money came because I'm nearer to the end of the policy, and that's when they're desperate to keep you because they know that you've only got a couple of days before they're going to have to change it. No, still playing music. So that's why the price dropped, which means that now they've got more leeway to actually give us what we really want because, you know, they don't want us to leave the company. Whereas if you renew early, they're not going to give you any money because basically you're just one of these perpetual renewers and they don't have to offer you anything because you've gone. So the longer you leave it, the more chance you've got of getting a better deal.
Wait, we're doing everything we can to talk to you.
I don't care because I'm talking to you and I'm explaining to you the best way to get the most money out of these companies that rip us off year after year. I mean, originally it was 795 quid, right? That was last year's payment. So they've upped it by £893 just because they can. For what? Did they do any extra work? No. More people make claims, so they want to claw back the money from us. Well, that's fine, isn't it? You can get that done, but what we want and what everybody wants is a saving of money. And if we can't get money from this company, there is other companies. Admiral, for instance, is quite happy to offer me 654 quid. So I would normally take it. But because Direct Line is brilliant, when I had an accident, they were able to deal with it. Not my fault. They dealt with it brilliantly. I really don't want to go to Admiral. I know it's cheaper, but I really want to keep with them. But they don't know this, right? They think I'm going to go because I'm going to go well. And they can't see me, so they don't know I've got a happy face or I'm miserable. They've got no idea. And they're still happy playing music. So they don't know we're having this little chat, which is great because you and I get to know each other, right? I mean, I do these videos every day to get you really into my channel, know what I'm all about. And I'm here to save you money, tell you about accessories, tell you what's new in Tesla, and really literally help your life have a better life, right? And if I can save you money, I'm going to do it.
Sorry about the wait. We're doing everything we can to talk to you.
Cheers. Max, alright? It does all your hoovering for you, you don't have to worry about it, so we just let it carry on while they're busy waiting.
Direct Outline Motor Insurance, are you calling about your renewal today?
Yeah, who am I talking to, please?
My name's Emma.
Emma. Okay, Emma. Thank you, Emma. Great.
Hi there, that's okay. If you're calling about your renewal, would I be able to take a policy number, please?
Yeah, of course you can.
That's great, thank you. Okay, so was there anything incorrect in your renewal documents, or has anything changed in the last 12 months that might affect the policy?
No, but what I originally rung up for was to say that you left off the courtesy car off the renewal. You gave me notice to say you were going to put it on. I rung up to get a quote, and you tried to better the quote, and you left off the courtesy car. So my response to you this morning was to ring up and say about the courtesy car. But I happened to get a notification from comparethemarket.com telling me that Admiral are offering the same insurance you're quoting for is £654, which is considerably a lot cheaper than what you've offered me. Now, I've been with you a long time, so I really wanted to stay with you, and I know that you work on a commission basis, so what can you do to help me this morning?
Okay, so I'm sorry that the price isn't what you're expecting. You're getting cheaper quotes elsewhere, so I'll certainly check to see if there's anything I can do on the price for you. Let's have a look. So the policy is due to start from the 7th of the 8th. I'm just going to check what discounts they've already put on for you. It might be that they've already applied the maximum, but I will double check it.
You see, because there's a big difference between what you're offering and what Admiral are offering for the same policy. So obviously, you know, that's
Yeah,
what...
I absolutely understand. I mean, we don't try to be the cheapest out there. That isn't ever our intention. We obviously want to give you the service and the level of cover you expect from us, but if we can be more competitive, we certainly will.
Thank you. Because obviously I've been with you a while now.
Yeah, absolutely.
Are you still there?
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry for going quiet. Yes, I'm still...
Oh, okay. I thought you'd gone off and cut me off.
Sorry. No. My apologies. I was just looking into it. So, courtesy car is included as standard for you.
Right.
So it's not something that you're paying anything in addition.
No, I understand, yes. They just didn't leave it on the original form.
No, of course. But the price is the very best price that we can offer. That my colleagues already given you. They've applied the maximum discount that they can on there for you. So I wouldn't be able to make any changes to policy. Is that something that you're still wanting to stay with, or are you wanting to check? You know, you've obviously got some time before it's due to go ahead. It has already renewed, but it's not actually due until the...
No, so I've still got the cool-off period. It's just a shame, really, if you can't really help me at this point in time. I don't get why other companies can offer the same policy, but so much cheaper than you. I mean, Admiral's not a cheap company. It's quite a large sort of conglomerate, isn't it?
Yeah, of course. I don't know why it would be such a difference, to be honest. I mean, we don't try to be the cheapest out there. Of course, we do want to give you the service you expect from us. I would look into, things like admin fees, etc. If they charge admin fees, and they might make up difference in costs through, that sort of thing. You know.
No, I've checked out most of the policy. It's identical virtually to what you're offering me because I've got 9 years claims, no claims bonus.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
you know,
exactly.
it shows that I've been with you a while. But obviously, if you can't match it or beat it, then that's going to be a bit of a problem. Even if you can't come down a bit more than what you originally came out. I mean, there is absolutely nothing you can offer.
No, I really wish I could because it would help us both in terms of making sure you get the service that you want from me. But I really can't. That is the very maximum that they've already applied for you.
Okay. Well, if I change my mind, I've still got time to come back to you. But if not,
Of course.
it's been a nice
And
dealing with you.
all right, I'm so sorry. As it stands at the moment, it is already ready to go ahead and automatically renew. So if we don't hear from you, we'll assume that you're staying with us and
Okay.
that the policy's already set up and ready to go. And of course, if you do change your mind, just give us a call and let us know and we can make sure that things are lapsed down for you. But as it stands at the moment, it's ready to go ahead, all right?
Okay, so it's renewed on the 7th, yes?
Yes, that's right.
7th of August. Okay, right. I'll do.
All right.
Okay, well, thanks very much, Emma. Shame you couldn't have helped,
All right.
but in this
I know,
instance.
I'm sorry.
All right, thanks you. Bye bye.
All right, you take care. Have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
So they have said they're not going to do anything about it, right? Okay, so the next point is to ring Admiral up and make sure that everything is in the policy that it should be, and I'm going to get everything I intend to. And then we'll go for it. At £654, that's a big difference. So we'll have to continue this next time. Until then, take care. I look forward to talking to you then. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching Mal's Back Talking Tesla. Remember, if you're buying a new Tesla, use my referral code link here and don't forget to subscribe. It's free.